Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit text on CapCut website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So when you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. For you, you'll not find this as your home or your main screen if it's your first time. You'll find two options. On your main screen, you will find use on the browser, and you will find like download on Windows. Of course, if you want to download it, there is a video on this channel on how to do that. And of course, you'll find here at the upper top side, at the top right side, if you want to log in into your account or even sign in into your account. So when you actually log in into your account or sign in into your account, you'll find this as your home screen. So from here, you'd like to click at blank canvas, and we'll need to wait until this loads correctly. And here I'll need just to drop a file, and as you can see, that will be my file. So of course from here I'll need to drag it here if I want to start editing on my video right here. Of course you can like edit the video, the audio, the speed, or even the animation. So of course if you want to add or edit a text on your video, simply you'll need to click at the text option right here. So when you click, as you can see, we have several templates of the text, so you can just choose the default text as if you want. So of course just go and hit this plus button right here, and as you can see, just make it over like the full video. You can just make this and move it wherever you want. Maybe let it here. Maybe you would like to write and of course you would like to edit this text right here. Just go here into, just click or double click on it, then go here to the text and maybe type subscribe. So maybe, and you would like to edit it, you can actually like make it bigger or smaller if you want. Do whatever you want with it. So of course put it wherever you want, then you would like to export and you will save the changes. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.